Sorry, a fly just flew in here. So, my favorite Juvly memory is definitely with my provider, Teresa. She definitely could tell that I was super nervous, and I told her I was a new mom this year, and there's certain parts of my body that I just wasn't comfortable with. And she told me a story about her own experience becoming a mother. And we really related with each other, and it just made me so much more comfortable and more confident to continue to focus on myself and what makes me feel beautiful. And she was like, don't worry about it, you do what you gotta do. And I was like, thank you. Thank you for, it's mother to mother. I just wanted to feel more confident in myself again because I think that's so important, and I wanted to feel beautiful, and for me, just the biggest change was my body. I was used to having my body a certain way, and I felt very, very confident in myself, and so with my body changing, that really, really threw me off as a person, and I really had to learn how to love myself again, and it was a tough process. I fixed little things that I felt if I did this for myself, then I would have that confidence and in turn learn to love myself even more. When I come to Juvly, I feel excited. Just getting myself to get into Juvly was definitely a hard step, but to follow through and have the experience go so smoothly, everyone there was so encouraging. I think it really, really touched me in a different way when I left, that these people really cared about me and really cared how I felt when I left. It was less about them and more about making sure I got what I wanted and left super happy. See yourself at Juvly. You deserve it.